I'm going to take you start to finish and share how to make my Traeger smoked bacon wrapped onion rings. They're loaded up with barbecue sauce and they melt in your mouth. The pellet grill adds so much flavor. Let's whip up this easy smoker recipe. So the first thing you do is you cut up your onions. Here I'm using, you could use either walla, yellow, or white onions, and you cut them in about 2-inch chunks. And then you want to separate the rings so you have about 2 rings at a time, which will make them nice and sturdy to load up with that bacon and barbecue sauce. So first go ahead and brush the barbecue sauce around the rings, and then it's time to get in there with your fingers and get a little bit messy as you wrap some bacon around them. I was able to pull 1 piece of bacon about per each ring. So just do that until all the rings and all the bacon are used up. I'd say about 2 to 4 of these onion rings per person is a good amount to plan for. And then once they're all loaded up, sprinkle on some barbecue rub or seasoning of your choice. You could also use brown sugar, and then let them sit overnight if you have the time, or else just put them right on the smoker. They smoke for about 90 minutes, and halfway through you can start adding some barbecue sauce. Check out the full step-by-step directions at sipbitego, and don't miss out on my jalapeno poppers smoked recipe there as well. And you can get this sauce for my jalapeno ranch at sipbitego. Well, until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Don't these look so good? Yum! Cheers!